Hi there, I'm Scott Mulbauer from TEATRX. Wanted to show how to disable USB cameras from turning off when your battery gets low on a camera. We've had a lot of people ask us why their cameras keep turning off when they're using their computers. So we thought we'd just show and create a video to help with that. On your computer in Windows, click the Windows icon in the bottom left corner. Type in USB, which should open USB settings. The second item down says USB battery saver. Stop USB devices when my screen is off to save battery. By turning that off, it will leave the camera running until the computer battery is fully drained. We found this to be a great tip. We hope you like it.